central locking system. You know it's good because it's got a bird on the front.
Okay then, what have we got? This is eBay special for $24.98. Well, over VAT, 30 quid, whatever. This is my address. I'm gonna hire that. Kit includes things without telling you what they are or where they go. Good stuff. See what the hell this thing's all about then. Introduction, fitting the actuators, connecting the actuator to the lock rod, wiring procedure, setting up and testing, fault finding, Keys! We do have 2 keys, which is actually pretty cool. Unlock, lock, alarm, and lightning strike. And the other key's got the same thing, so double lightning strike! Oh. Holy crap guys, news! If you press the lock button to lock it and the unlock button to unlock it, it does those things. On each door there should be a button which moves when the door is locked. That'll be the slider at the top of the door. When the door trims are removed, you'll find this joint of the lock with a rod. Yes. Is this the actuator's connecting rod is to be attached? 5 wire actuators are fitted to the front doors. I mean, I'm going to have to glue that in because that is definitely going to come out when the bloody install's in. Mounting template. Holes. Good stuff. I mean, I've got 4 actuators and only 3 doors, so I'm going to put one of these in a battery and see if it pings out. Whoa! And that gives me an idea. Hey ladies, you want some of this? Everybody look carefully. This is the last time you're going to see these all together because I'm going to lose most of them. I'm going to guess this is some kind of brain box thing, which it's got a button on it. No idea what that does. However, I've got a funny feeling they go together. Whoa! So this is the brain, as it were. This will be the control IC. These are diodes to make sure voltage, a certain amount of voltage goes one way and not the other way. These are transistors. You've got some little SMD resistors here. These are glass diodes. Over here you've got a couple of relays and some capacitors, I'm guessing, to stop any spikes. Man, very simple. The odds of these remotes coming with batteries in them. Ah! They do! Awesome! 2. Oh. Ooh, that was a nice cheap click. I've hung the loom out so we can try and work out what is what. Now I'm going to guess that these long ones are going to be the ones that go to the rear doors. These are going to be the front door ones. Looks like that one goes into the brain one. Where's the brain one? This one here. Yeah, so that one definitely goes into that one, which I'm guessing is the master. This is going to be a permanent live. This is going to be a ground. That's a fuse. That's a white and a brown wire that I have no idea what they do. I just want to... Working distance is 50 meters. Up to 50 meters. I'm going to have to check that because I don't believe it. Part of me is also wondering if I can wire the headlights to that to get them to flash when it locks. Because I'm figuring it's probably just going to be a 12 volt pulse that's going to go to the actuators to unlock the whole thing. So I might... we'll give it a go. Alright then, to the van. It's dawned on me, I've snapped the drill bit that I need, so I've got to go buy one now. So, the shop.
It gets slow. I'm not used to this type of stuff, but I can still make you.
because this thing's got its own inline fuse, all 10 amps of it, I'm actually just going to go straight to the battery, I think, for this one. Gotta find the right hole. Right, so now we should have power. 2. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Moment of truth. Got the lightning button, but I'm not going to press that one just yet. I did a thing. Oh. Hey baby, I hope you like cows, because I got udders. I might actually try and fit him on the door now. So in my case, this is kind of crusty, and not in the Simpson kind. So I've taken the whole thing off and I'm just going to clean it up, lube it up, and give it a good greasing. So what I've done here is the bit that you normally pull on to under your car. I've just attached the rod to it that goes straight into the actuator, and I'm going to bolt the actuator down here, but you've got to bend this rod so that obviously it's going to be fairly, you know, directly below parallel with it. So what I've done, I've used a flexible adhesive to stick it to the door, because obviously this is going to be rattling a fair bit. I don't want it to go snap and just pop off, and obviously that would take some of the stress off the screws if it's on the adhesive. Then I have managed to screw it up to there, and joyfully, yeah. Couldn't be easy, could it? No, God, no. One of them. One of them. I was kind of hoping this was just going to be a hollow tube, but no, it's got plugs on it. I've now got to drill through. Joy. It is now the next day. It got a bit dark last night, so I had to stop. So at the moment, we are unlocked. Lovely. I'm missing a door handle at the moment because the barrel broke, but the point is it's locked. And I even managed to fix a lock on the door in the back here. Epic! I haven't managed to hook it up to the lights yet because I need to look up how to do that whole thing, but the fact is, for £30, literally 30 quid all in, it works. How well it's going to hold up to having a sound system in it, I don't know, but I'm hoping because the actuators are really, really light and I've stuck them to the door, you know, themselves, that it won't actually have too many problems. But that's the only thing we can really see. But yeah, so that's 30 quid, and I've got central locking. I don't have it on the rear door, but obviously I'm guessing you could install that on the rear door. I've just fixed the manual lock. It's an old van, I'm not really bothered about that. But I really can't complain for 30 quid. That's really impressive. Yeah, and super convenient. Like, although it did say 50 meters away, didn't it? Should we try that? Hang on, so we're over here. Still works. So I would guess that 50 meters is probably over by this house. I'm gonna walk over there. So at the moment, we are unlocked, so we're going to be trying to lock it. Right, did that work? Nope. We're across the road. Oh, I heard it, that worked. Unlocked. Still working. 36 meters. That's how far away it works from. still not bad for 30 quid, is it? I mean, I can go off the end of my drive and halfway down the road, and I can still hear it go chook, which is really nice. I mean, how long it's going to last, I don't know, but I'd buy it again. Anyway, that's everything from me and the piece of shit. We will see you later.